Tom Anderson, and for 25 years I was looking after the Safety Critical Systems Symposium. My colleagues Felix Redmill and John Atkinson were the other coordinators of these programs, and we felt that just the fact that it lasted 25 years was singularly impressive.
So please tell me a little bit about yourself and something you're going to take away from this symposium.
Yes, I'm a very new PhD student who just started last September. And I study on safety assurance of machine learning models in especially autonomous vessels, autonomous ships. And this is my first time to attend this symposium. I found it very interesting and very fresh to me because I have a background of machine learning and artificial intelligence, but I don't have a background of the safety field. So I know a lot of this field from this symposium, and also a lot of them are really related to my research.
This is a poster for the ontology working group, actually led by Dave Banham, who's with another poster at the moment. The ontology working group is really looking at getting a better definition of terms. There's a lot of terms we use in safety engineering, and different standards and different industrial sectors use the same words, but they all mean something slightly different. And this is an effort to try and get a unified set of base terms.
So tell me a little bit about this poster.
Thanks. We've started up a working group recently on safety of the environment. We feel there's a lot of experience built up in the world of safety engineering. There's lots of system safety techniques, systems thinking, and there's a wealth of experience there that we can maybe add to solving environmental problems as well. So we're trying to get together people who understand what problems their companies are having meeting environmental challenges, people who've got ideas on how we might solve them, and trying to work together to put together some guidance that we can hopefully use to improve matters in the future.
So Mike, please tell me a little bit about this poster.
Okay, thanks Mitali. So I'm Mike Parsons, I'm the leader of the Service Assurance Working Group. What service assurance is all about is trying to assure not the product or the material thing that is part of the safety related thing, it's actually the way it's delivered. So that's what we're trying to do. It's all to do with contracts, it's to do with the way of organizations are structured, and it's trying to assure each element of that so that you can have some assurance in the overall service provision.
This is the Assurance Case Working Group's poster. We have a couple of publications, one looking at assurance cases in general, that is notation agnostic. So that's our first publication up here. And this is picked on a few major topics, pitfalls that people find when putting assurance cases together, and some guidance on how to avoid that. And then we have the goal structuring notation standard that we've moved on over a number of years, so it's currently at version 3, where we've introduced a lot of new advanced notations that allow us to deal with more complicated arguments and to deal with some of the pitfalls that we've identified in the general guidance that we can now bring into the notation and address more coherently.
So tell me, what have you learned from today's symposium?
So I met lots of interesting people. I had some interesting discussions about safety. I learned what the working groups of the society are doing, and I learned a lot about service assurance and safety assurance for nuclear domain, which I didn't know about because I'm mostly coming from the automotive domain.